I came in for this recruitment startup because I felt it was an opportunity to be independent. And at my age now, I felt work shouldn't be me going out these days to toil heavily like I've toiled over the years. I felt I could give it an opportunity to start my own business. This business startup was very interesting because I haven't had or seen anywhere where information is given out to people. I mean, it's a skilled, it's a well-prepared workshop. So it's interesting. It's one of the best workshops I've ever attended. It gives you opportunity to be independent. It gives you opportunity to earn far more than you earned before, than what you earned before. It gives you opportunity to have time for your family. It gives you opportunity to be your own boss. I mean, the advantages outweigh the disadvantages anyway.